Hey Sugar Geeks, I'm Liz.
And Avalon.
And we're going to show you how to turn these lemons into the most delicious lemon shortbread cookies you've ever had. Coming up next on the Sugar Geek Show. So when we're baking with our kids, it's great to have everything prepped ahead of time. I have all of my ingredients out, the mixer ready to go. Avalon, are your hands clean? Nice and clean. So I'm going to try and do minimal helping and let Miss Avalon over here do it. I'm going to handle the dangerous parts, okay? Because the mixer can be dangerous. The first thing we need to do is cream our butter and our sugar. Can you put the butter in there? Let's cream our butter first and make it nice and smooth before we add the sugar. One. All right, now we're gonna start sprinkling in the sugar a little bit at a time. There we go. So we're gonna mix this for 1 minute until it's light and fluffy. All right, look at this. So now I'm gonna start mixing again. You add in the egg, all right?
Fun. That smells like dough now.
All right, you see any egg left over in there? Does it look like it's all mixed together?
I think it's good.
All right, I believe you, Chef Avalon. So now we're gonna be adding in some lemon extract, some lemon zest, salt, and some citric acid, which is basically concentrated lemon, so it's gonna have lots of lemon flavor. If you don't wanna have the citric acid, you can totally leave it out. All right, and now we're just gonna add in the flour just until the dough starts sticking together, and then we're done. Go. Poof.
They'll stick it together.
All right, I think that's sticking together. Let's see. Yep, see? Ooh, it's like edible Play-Doh. All right, so now I'm gonna take all of this out of the bowl and we're gonna smush it into 2 logs. Some people roll this dough out and then they use a cookie cutter. You can do it that way too if you want. All right, there's yours. We're gonna roll it into a log like this. Boop, 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 boop. We're shooting for about 2 inches. We're gonna chill this in the refrigerator for a minimum of an hour or overnight. And the reason why we chill dough is because there is a little bit of liquid in here, but there's a lot of fat. And we need to give the cookie dough time for the liquid that's in the dough to combine with the flour. Otherwise, it goes like this and spreads out everywhere. So if you wanted to make this a different flavor, literally anything. You can leave out the lemon. You could replace it with cinnamon. You could do like dried fruits. You could do chopped up pistachios, cake batter shortbread. That'd be really fun. And by the magic of television, we have our chilled cookie log right here, pre-made. We're gonna put some pretty sparkles on this. What do you think? Yeah? So we want our cookie dough to be fairly cold when you cut it because then it helps keep its shape. If you're not super concerned about it keeping its shape, it's not a big deal. So we're gonna press this into our pretty sparkles. This is just sanding sugar. I just got this at the grocery store. And this is gonna add a nice sparkle around the outside of our cookies when they bake up. You could use regular sugar, you could use sprinkles. This is another way that you can really just kind of like make the cookies look however you want. I almost even made green sprinkles since we're gonna be using these for our cookie box, but I didn't want the shortbread cookies to be green for like non-Christmas time.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, doesn't that look really sparkly and pretty? So now I'm gonna cut them and you put them on the pan and organize them, okay? I'm gonna cut straight down. We're gonna try and make these about 1/4 inch thick. Teamwork makes the dream work. So these cookies are not really gonna spread at all. They might puff a tiny bit, but not really. Is this what you call organized? That's better. All right, we gotta leave a little space though. So let's go 1, 2, 3.
We're gonna bake these for 10 to 15 minutes until they're golden brown.
Ooh, yeah. All right, Avalon, are you ready to make some lemon glaze?
Lemon glaze?
Yeah, it's like lemon frosting. And we're gonna add about a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, and then we're gonna whisk it. So we just take our tiny little spoon, like this. We just go like this. Ooh.
Oh, I have started cookies like that before, where it's like that.
Yeah? You just kind of throw it on there.
Because it doesn't matter how it looks, it matters how it tastes.
That's right. All right, now we're just gonna set these just aside. They don't have to be refrigerated, and then the glaze will firm up, and then we can eat them.
That one's perfect.
That is a perfect one. We're gonna save this one for pictures. We'll save these ones. Don't eat those. Those are the ones that make us look like professionals. You ready to eat one?
Mmm.
Ooh, that is super yummy.
Mmm. That's delicious!
Seriously, you guys, this is so deliciously lemony. I am a huge lemon fan, so to me, this is like the world's most perfect cookie. The shortbread itself is very, very delicate. It just, you know, crumbles right in your mouth, and then you get like a little bit of the flavor of lemon in the cookie, and then you get a huge punch of lemon flavor from the glaze. And then you can even taste like the little sugary crystals around the outside that gives it kind of a crunch. Good job, Avalon. You're such a good baker. All right, that's it, guys. If you like this video, check out this lemon blueberry cake. I'm Liz. This is Avalon. I'll see you guys next week. Bye. Subscribe button.